Yay! I just got a new Fragrant Jewels package unboxing. I have no idea what this is. This is my monthly Inner Circle membership, so they send me a delivery every month. And it feels light. I think it's like not a candle, so I'm excited because this is gonna be the first time I ever get possibly 3 bath bombs, or maybe something else. I don't know. We'll see. Say aloha to your own piece of paradise with our latest Aloha Bath Bomb Trio. Maui, Oahu, Kauai, fruity orange and mango with sandalwood, fresh cut pineapple, jasmine, and coconut. Oh my gosh, I got 3 bath bombs! Ah! Oh my gosh. This is the Kauai one. Maybe it's a sign. My mom was just telling me I need to apply to sales jobs that include Hawaii region. Oh! Oh, that's jasmine and coconut for sure. Let's see the last one. Jasmine and coconut. Wow. Oh, these are. Oh, I get different color rings! I get different color rings? Oh, this is just like a promotion. I'm already part of the Inner Circle Fragrant Jewels. My house smells like coconut. Oh, I am so excited. Look how beautiful you guys are. Wow. My baby. So I will definitely be showing you guys one of these 3 bath bombs in the next video. Definitely all 3 at some point. So I will see you guys then. If you guys liked this video, please give it a like below. Subscribe to my channel as well down here. For more videos, click here. I will definitely be posting every week. Sometimes I do bath bombs, sometimes I do little adventures with my friends, and sometimes I do comedy. So lots of different content. Please follow me on my journey, and I promise you, you won't regret it. Singing Soldier, out.